This hair gives me life, it gives me attitude. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina, Cam, whatever way which you want to call me, it's fine because I do have the two names. Anyways guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to achieve a closure if you don't have one, how to fake it, and on this beautiful hair which I'm wearing right now. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're old, thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you guys are feeling like my whole Fenty Beauty kind of lips. Anyways, this is not Fenty Beauty, this is a dupe from some other lip gloss line. I'm going to link it down below where I got it, and yeah, without talking much, let's go into the video and let's go and slay our lives. So guys, the hair which I'm going to be using for this tutorial is some synthetic hair which comes in a body wave, and it comes in a packet like that. As you can see, it's very bouncy and full. And also it's tangle free. Again, I'm going to be using this mesh cap. I'm going to use some hair bonding glue, and not to forget my glue gun. I used a plastic bag to cover my mannequin head to protect my mannequin head from the glue stick. You'll see why I did that later in the video. So you have to make sure that your glue gun is on before you start. And what I'm doing is I'm just taking from one ear, I'm applying the glue gun directly to the mesh dome cap, and then I'm going to glue the rest on it. That's what I'm just going to do. I'm going to do from side to side, and I just keep climbing on. And guys, please excuse my voice, I'm really sick at the moment. That's why I've been delaying with this video. As you can see, all what I'm doing is I'm applying glue to the surface of the mesh cap and then putting my weft on. You also have to hold it down with your hand, so be careful so you don't get burned. And I'm just going to keep on going in the U shape which is kind of forming right now. Again, since I'm doubling my waist, I'm trying to separate it. Like whenever I put the glue down, I try to put it in a really thick like I'm trying to put it really thick so that I can spit out my waves before I lay them down. Using concealer, I'm just going to draw a straight line on my mesh cap, and then I'm going to cut my hair approximately an inch, and then I'm going to glue it down using the line as a guide. I'm just going to glue it down everywhere like I've done. So all what you're doing is you basically glue it on top of each other on a straight line. Make sure there are no gaps in between. Also, I'm using a hair dryer so that the glue dries up quickly. And for the part of just to give a finishing touch, I'm going to use my knit picker using some hair which I cut, and I'm going to crochet it. to just make things tidy. So yeah, it's a slow clip for you. If you didn't see the first one, all what you're going to do is pull some hair through with the hook, and then you pull it in and you pick the hair from the loop which you have and you pull it out. So there, my wig is done, guys. I'm just going to take out the plastic. It was a little bit difficult, so when you guys want to use a plastic, make sure to use a plastic which is a little bit thick, so that it's not going to give you so much stress as this one gave me. So here's my hair. I just tied it down with the rubber band. I'm wearing my wig cap right now, and I'm going to use my powder to just try to camouflage the area there. There is the wig, guys, so I'm just going to wear it. It looks a mess right now, but we're going to tame it and all the rest. So I'm just going to cut some parts of the hair because I want to give it a tapered kind of look. So when I'm done cutting the hair, I'm going to apply mousse to the hair. So all what I did was run my hand through my curls, and then we're done, guys. So that is all for this video. Do a pretty decent job. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, don't forget. And if you aren't getting notifications, maybe that's because you didn't click on that small bell down by the subscribe button. So don't forget to click subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell. I love you guys. Peace to my next video.